So in this video, we'll discuss about the relationship between basic properties like the 10 or 15 ratios that we have studied in our previous class: void ratio, porosity, degree of saturation. All these are interrelated to each other. So one by one, number one, between void ratio and porosity, what is the relationship between these two? So let us begin with void ratio. As you know, void ratio is VV by VS. Now VV in the denominator VS can be written as V minus VV, because V is equal to VV plus VS. So VS will be V minus VV. Then from below this, we can take V as common, 1 minus VV by V. Then VV by V will be porosity, 1 minus VV by V is porosity. So it became E is equal to N by 1 minus N. E is equal to N by 1 minus 1 is one relationship. Now similarly, if you cross multiply this, E minus En will be equal to N. E one side, N plus En other side, taking N as common and taking N on the left side, E by 1 plus E. So this is the second relationship. These two are interrelationship between void ratio and porosity. So now we can solve a problem. If they give you N, we can find E. If in the question E is given, we can find N. So this relationship will be very important to solve many soil mechanics problems. One more relationship between omega, that is small w, water content, void ratio, degree of saturation, and specific gravity of solid. See, specific gravity of solid Gs is more commonly written simply as G, because Gm is of no use, no importance. So all G's are supposed to be only Gs. Now beginning with water content, which is weight of water by weight of solid. So for weight of water, we can write this one, because we know unit weight of water is equal to weight of water by volume of water. So weight of water will be unit weight of water into volume of water. So in place of weight of water, we can write unit weight of water into volume of water. Similarly, weight of solid will be unit weight of solid into volume of solid. If you remember that unit weight of solid is equal to weight of solid by volume of solid, so these two multiplied will give you Ws. So Ws, in place of Ws, one can write gamma S into Vs. Now, again, this gamma S can again also be written as gamma, because gamma S by gamma W is G. So gamma S can be written as G into gamma W. So in place of gamma S, we can write gamma W into G. Okay. Now multiplying one void ratio here, volume of void, one volume of void below, one above. This to cancel. Now volume of water and volume of void will give you degree of saturation S, and VV by Vs will give you E. So these two will make S, this two will make E. So S into E by G. This is what is written. Small w is equal to SE by G. So a relation has been developed. Water content is equal to degree of saturation multiplied with void ratio divided by specific gravity of solid. This is number 3 question, relations. Relation number 3, a relation between bulk unit weight or total unit weight of solid, water content, and void ratio. Among these four, there can be a relationship. There can be a formula. Let us start it. So gamma T, if it is written as W by V, this W can be written as weight of water by weight of solid. Similarly, volume will be volume of void by plus volume of solid. Taking weight of solid common, weight of water by weight of solid plus 1. Here also taking Vs is common, Vv by Vs plus 1. Now Ws by Vs is equal to gamma S. Weight of water by weight of solid is unit weight of water content plus 1. Here Vb by Vs is void ratio plus 1. So now the formula become gamma T is equal to gamma S 1 plus omega by 1 plus E. Fourth important relationship is between total unit weight G, S and E. Total unit weight, specific gravity of solid, degree of saturation and void ratio. So again let us begin with gamma T. It is W by V, which is weight of water plus weight of solid, Vb plus Vs. Here weight of water can be written as unit weight of water into volume of water, and weight of solid can be written as unit weight of solid and volume of solid, Vb plus Vs. Now this one, gamma S is gamma W into G, and below taking Vv as out as common, it remains as 1 plus Vv by Vs by Vb. Now this gamma W Vw by Vb, this one, and or dividing Vb both sides, Vb by Vb. So gamma Wg Vs by Vb. Okay, Vb cancels. So it is gamma W taking out, it is only S. And this is G into Vs by Vb means 1 by E. V by V by Vs is E. So Vs by Vb is 1 by E. So it becomes G by E. Gamma W is out. So S plus G by E. And in denominator, it is 1 plus Vs by Vb. So Vs by Vb means 1 by E, 1 by void ratio. Because Vb by Vs is E. So 1 plus E. Again, if you solve it, you will get like this. Gamma W Sc plus G 1 plus E. You can check yourself. So finally, gamma T is equal to this one. So this formula, unit weight, total unit weight is equal to gamma W G plus Sc 1 plus E. You should remember this formula. Gamma T, total unit weight is gamma W into G plus Sc by 1 plus E. One more relation is between total unit weight or bulk unit weight and dry unit weight. See, gamma T means total unit weight. It is also called bulk unit weight. Bulk means total. So beginning with gamma T, which is W by V, W is broken as WW plus WS and V is written as VV plus VS. Now taking WS common, WW by WS plus 1, let it remain V. Now WS by V, this one, and this is water content plus 1. So it became WS by V is, what is WS V? Dry density. If you remember, WS V is equal to gamma D. So gamma D 1 plus omega. So gamma T is gamma D plus 1 plus omega. Or one can reverse it like this. Gamma D is equal to omega T by 1 plus omega. You can use this formula either this way or that way.